Hi everyone, my name is Nikhil and I have recently purchased home in March 2024 with my wife, and as a new home buyer we were very confused from where to get our all interior done and all the planning and execution. We have seen many places and tried their planning and execution, how they think and evaluated all those things, and then we heard a name of Wright Bricks. So I'll say the total experience from starting till end was amazing, and our major portion, our whole brainstorming went into the planning phase was very good. So I'd say they have suggested us various selection things, how you can select from different material types and how whole execution process will work. So they are very transparent from beginning till end, and in terms of their pricing, in terms of their material selections, in terms of their execution and their timelines as well. Few things especially I want to highlight for Wright Bricks is that we were not finding the glass sandwich option for our wardrobe, and we have checked multiple places but it was not available. And then when we contacted Wright Bricks, they uprightly said that yeah, it's very easy and we can do that. So that is what plus point, and that is what makes us to go with Wright Bricks, I'll say one of the point. And the execution and how it came out was very nice, sandwiched with the PU panels. So I would say that that looks very nice, and whatever they have promised has come to an reality in the same manner. So they has helped us a lot from beginning till end to complete everything and delivered as promised. So I'd say that we really recommend Wright Bricks to everyone who are confused buyer like us and you are purchasing their home and not sure how to take care of their interior things. Thank you.